Hey, announcer guy here for Sean and Kevin, world travelers who occasionally go to places you haven't been. In this episode, the boys are in Canada. So settle in and welcome to Travel by Numbers.
The Wutai Shan Buddhist Garden,
加拿大五台山佛教花园
located in Cavan-Monaghan, Ontario, Canada, is a serene and spiritually significant destination that reflects the grandeur and tranquility of traditional Chinese Buddhist architecture and landscapes. The garden is inspired by Mount Wutai in China, one of the 4 sacred mountains in Chinese Buddhism, revered as the earthly abode of the bodhisattva Manjusri. This garden serves as a spiritual sanctuary for practitioners and visitors alike, offering a peaceful environment for meditation, reflection, and the practice of Buddhism. The garden's design incorporates a variety of traditional elements, including meticulously landscaped gardens, ponds, pagodas, and statues of Buddhist deities. Each element is thoughtfully placed to create a harmonious and aesthetically pleasing environment that encourages contemplation and spiritual growth. The Main Dharma Hall, a central feature of the garden, serves as a venue for ceremonies, teachings, and communal gatherings, fostering a sense of community among visitors and practitioners.
What do you think so far?
It's pretty impressive. I counted the stairs, 72 steps.
Oh my gosh.
So inside, I think it's called the Great Hall. You can take pictures, but I think you have to ask to take pictures because there's active prayers going on.
Oh.
But it's pretty impressive.
In addition to its spiritual and aesthetic features, the Wutai Shan Buddhist Garden is home to several educational and cultural facilities. These include the Hall of Shansai, the Museum of Buddhist Art, and the Hall of Serene, each offering unique insights into Buddhist art, history, and teachings. The garden also hosts various events, workshops, and retreats aimed at promoting Buddhist education and practice. The recent inauguration of the Buddhist College of Canada at this location further enhances its role as a center for Buddhist learning and spiritual development. Wutai Shan Buddhist Garden is not only a place of worship and learning, but also a symbol of cultural exchange and integration. It reflects the blending of Chinese Buddhist traditions with Canadian multiculturalism, creating a unique space where individuals from diverse backgrounds can come together to explore and experience the teachings of Buddhism. Through its serene environment, educational programs, and cultural events, the garden continues to inspire and nurture the spiritual well-being of all who visit.
There's no warning that there's a drop off here. So be careful.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please click the like button. And by subscribing and turning notifications on, you'll help us create new content. Thanks for watching. And remember, experiences, not things.